Hello, I am R. Vishnu from grade 4, that Wisdom Nursery Primary School. Today I am tell about five landform of Tamil Nadu. The five landform Kurinji, Mullai, Marudam, Neidal and Palai. This is Kurinji land. This is Mullai land. This is Marudam land. This is Neidal land. This is Palai land. Thank you.